Hello and welcome back. Turok here, and today we are going to discuss the basics of sector edit. Turok levels are made up of something called nav meshes or sectors. A sector is made up of 3 dots called vertex points. A sector's job is to tell the game where the player and NPCs can walk or exist in the game world. They also store a variety of information which controls variables that the game uses to render stuff in-game or control a variety of details like fog and render distance. With that out of the way, let's check out how to work with sectors. Previously, we built a nice little arena. With this arena, we can start building some sectors. Under the toolbar, select the sector edit icon to switch to the nav mesh builder. Here are some key shortcuts exclusive to sector edit. F1 will switch to vertex plot mode, which will allow you to lay vertices on your map. When you're under vertex plot mode, press the space key to turn on ray trace. With this enabled, you will be able to lay vertices on top of a mesh. A mesh will be highlighted when your mouse cursor is over it. There are some meshes which do not support this feature, like bottom meshes. Always turn ray trace before laying down vertices. Middle mouse click will lay a vertex point based on where your mouse cursor is on the canvas should ray trace not be enabled. With a sector selected, pressing the F2 key will switch the editor to sector create mode. This will allow you to build additional sectors using existing vertices on the map. All sectors created from the base sectors will share the same information as the original sector. Holding down Shift while under sector create mode will lock the direction where you can build the sector. With a sector selected, F4 will open sector properties. This will be explained in detail in a later video. Now that I've covered the basics of sector edit, it is time to build our first sector. Start by pressing F1. This will switch the editor to vertex plot mode. Then press space to turn on ray tracing. Lay down 3 vertices anywhere in your floor meshes, then press escape. Once you've laid down these vertices, select them in a clockwise direction and then press the backspace key to create this sector. Congratulations! You've created your first sector. Now, press escape to deselect this sector, then press F1 to return to vertex plot mode. Lay down some more vertices. Once you've laid down extra vertices, select the sector you created and press F2 to enter sector create mode. To create a sector in the direction a vertex point is, make sure the highlight is pointing towards the direction you want, then click on the vertex point you want. Hold down Shift to lock the direction. Continue creating sectors until you cover a good area. While adding vertices to your map, don't worry too much about how neat they look. You can adjust them later as you build your map. As you build walls and cliffs, place your vertices in front of your meshes to avoid clipping while playing or testing your map. Also, make sure you do not build beyond the grid limit. While you can place meshes and sectors beyond the grid limit, the player character cannot go beyond it. Your mapping space is limited. Now's the time to test your map. Switch to actor edit mode, then right click on the canvas, select add actor, go to the player option, then click on the only option available. Select the player actor, then switch to sector edit again. Now move your player actor so that it's on top of a sector. The player has to be on top of a sector. If you do not do this, then you won't be able to test your map. Save your progress, then press test level. Congratulations! You should now be in game. The only playable area should be the sector you built under sector create mode. With that, you should now have an understanding of how nav meshes are built. Tune in next time where I'll teach you more advanced sector stuff like properties and TID. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. This video is over. Now, go away.